So this is the entrance of our house. You go inside. This is our hall. When you close the door, this is the shoe rack. And then next to it, it's a kitchen. It's a washing area. It's separately. Then let's go to the master bedroom. So this is a master bedroom. See, and it's the attached washroom. It's park facing, so this is the area of the park. This is another washroom. This is the second bedroom. This is the third bedroom. Again, it has a washing area. Washroom. Almirah for the washroom. And you can use it as a storeroom. And inside this, it's a washing area where we have kept the washing machine. So this is all about this house.